Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can request for money on Venmo. In order to request for money on Venmo, what you'll need to do is first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. After that, open up or log in into your Venmo account. Once you're logged into your Venmo account, this is how the interface is going to look like. So once you're on this page, click on pay or request, which is right at the bottom. As soon as you click on it, you'll be taken to the other interface where you'll be asked to enter in the recipient details to whom you want to actually request the amount. After that, you also need to enter in the requested amount, and you can also add a description or a little note to it if you want to do it so. After you're done entering all of these information, click on the request button, which is right at the bottom. Now in case if you want to remind the other person or the recipient to whom you have actually requested, then click on remind, which is right at the bottom, and then you can set a timer, and according to it the notification will be sent. In this way you can request for money on Venmo. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.